Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Clapper app. Or just click on search. Then here add Clapper, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, just click on it. Then here you search here for Clapper, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.